In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a theme in Microsoft PowerPoint and set it as your default theme. If you regularly use the same colors, fonts, and layouts, locking in a custom theme can keep every presentation consistent and save you a lot of time. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint. You can use a brand new presentation or an existing one that already has the look you're aiming for. The key here is to make sure the design is exactly how you want your slides to appear going forward. Head to the Design tab and fine-tune your theme. This is where you can adjust colors, fonts, effects, and background styles. If you see the Variants section, you can open the drop-down to customize colors and fonts to match your brand or style. Take a moment to review a few slide layouts like title and content, and section header, so you know the theme works well across different slide types. A quick preview helps catch mismatched fonts or colors before you save. When you're happy with the design, stay on the Design tab and open the Themes gallery by clicking the More drop-down arrow. Choose Save Current Theme. PowerPoint will open the default themes folder where custom themes are stored. Give your theme a clear, memorable name so you can spot it later, something like Company Modern or Conference Deck, and click Save. Saving it in this default location ensures it shows up in your theme gallery next time. Now let's set that theme as the default, so every new blank presentation uses it automatically. Close PowerPoint completely to make sure the change applies correctly. Then reopen PowerPoint and choose Blank Presentation on the Start screen. Once the blank file opens, go back to the Design tab, click the More arrow in the Themes gallery, find the theme you just saved, often under the Custom section, right-click it, and select Set as Default Theme. From this point on, anytime you create a new blank presentation, PowerPoint will use your saved theme right out of the gate. That means your colors, fonts, and background styles are consistent without any extra steps. If you work across multiple devices or share files with others, consider keeping a copy of the BathMX theme file so you can install it elsewhere and maintain the same look. That's the full process for saving a theme and setting it as your default in Microsoft PowerPoint. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell to get notified about new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.